Promoting on Instagram is easy. Simply visit your Instagram profile, select the post that you would like to promote, click on Promote, select if you'd like to do your profile, website, or direct messaging. Most of you will select to have your profile be the one that's promoted. Once you've selected that, click Next. Note that there are special requirements for credit, employment, and housing promotions. If you're creating a promotion, you will have to specify that by selecting the category and clicking on Housing. Once the selection has been made, you should be able to see special requirements as selected. Note that it says your audience has been updated. Now, with that done and your audience updated, you can click to create your own audience. Click Next, name your audience. In location, a radius from or distance from the address of your office, from 5 miles to as many miles as you choose. It'll tell you the potential number of people, and then you can click on interest and include real estate. Once you're done, you can then set the age and gender by selecting the range. Click Done. Then Next. Your budget, from $1 a day to as much as you'd like, and then the duration of days. So if you select $1 per day for 5 days, you'd be reaching potentially 2,500 people. Then you review your promotion by having and looking through the destination, audience, and budget. Make sure to add your payment method, and then create your promotion. Thank you for being a Miami member. Always more with Miami.